Can I use a TV code lookup for a smart TV or streaming device?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart TVs and streaming devices, specifically focusing on the concept of TV code lookup. We'll explore whether you can use this feature with your smart TV or streaming device and how it can streamline your viewing experience.
What is a TV code lookup?
TV code lookup is a feature often used when setting up universal remotes, allowing you to control multiple devices with a single remote. The codes are unique to each brand or model of a device, and once the correct code is inputted into the remote, you can control your device. This feature is particularly handy when you have multiple devices and want to avoid the clutter of many remotes.
Can I use TV code lookup for a smart TV?
Absolutely. Most smart TVs support the use of TV codes for universal remotes. When setting up your universal remote, you will need to find the specific code for your smart TV model. This code is usually listed in the manual of your universal remote or can be found online. After you've entered this code into your remote, you should be able to control your smart TV with it.
Can I use TV code lookup for a streaming device?
Yes, you can. Streaming devices like Roku, Apple TV, and Amazon Fire Stick can also be controlled via a universal remote using the correct TV code. Similar to a smart TV, you'll need to locate the correct code for your specific streaming device. Once the code is entered, your universal remote should be able to control your streaming device, offering you an integrated control experience over your digital entertainment. We hope this video has shed some light on the use of TV code lookup for your smart TV and streaming device. Remember, the goal is to enhance your viewing experience, and using a universal remote with the right TV code can make switching between devices a breeze. Until next time, happy streaming!